how to join Microsoft Teams meeting. If you would like to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams, it is actually quite very simple to do so. But there are things that you will need, like the meeting link or the meeting ID and password. Now, what you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Microsoft Teams app. On the left hand side, you will find the Meet icon. Just go to the Meet icon there. Now, to join a certain meeting, on the right hand side you can see join with the meeting ID. So just click on that particular option, and here you can see it says join a meeting with an ID. So you can just type in the meeting ID and you can type in the passcode. Then after that you can simply go ahead and then join the meeting in this case. So after you've done that, you will be able to join a meeting. Now depends also if the meeting ID is actually a link. So if it is a link, when you click on the link, it will directly open up on the Meet app and redirect you to that meeting. Either way, this is the way on how you can join meeting on Microsoft Teams. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.